Tapos, nag-stay siya doon sa Jeju. So we go to the desert of loneliness. Parang, this loneliness is the same as yung people experiencing broken homes, being separated from the spouse, yung mga widows, yung mga inaayawan ng mga matatanda, di ba there's a certain loneliness. Ito yung, you can experience it even in the midst of the crowd. Kahit maraming tao na mapaligiran ka naman sa tayo. Pag malungkot ka, malungkot ka. So, yung experience na to, since you feel loneliness, actually the loneliness is because you don't feel the presence of God. Diba? That's the loneliness that you really feel. Tapos kaya sabi ko na feel ko to kasi nung nag-desert experience ako, yun nga yung escape. Yung escape dito, yun yung busyness, daydreaming, internet, TV, reading book one after the other, depression, apathy, idleness, lack of motivation, and self-pity. Yun, ginawa ko yun. Parating napansin ko, gigising ko lang, nagbubag na ako ng TV. Because I was running away from that. In fact, minsan, sasabihin nga ng mga anak ko, mama naman, during that time, mama, parang madrama ka ngayon. Napapansin lang, kasi sila napansin nila yan. Parang kang mo. Kasi nga, you can feel that certain loneliness. Hindi ka naman ganyan, mama, bakit parang kang